Hey everyone, welcome to AG Tech. So back when Windows 11 came out, users were, bypassing the strict requirements to install the operating system on their unsupported PCs. And then at one point, Microsoft had prevented that from happening. Well, now Microsoft has lifted the block and is allowing unsupported PCs to run Windows 11. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about this more in detail. But before we get into it, quick reminder, if you liked the video, consider subscribing and leaving a like or leaving a comment down below, because I want to know what you guys think about this. So installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware is back, but there's a catch. You're pretty much installing it at your own risk because Microsoft didn't change the requirements. The good thing about this change is that PCs who originally couldn't upgrade to Windows 11 now have a chance to, but the bad thing is that Microsoft doesn't recommend it, so they will make sure that you know about it at all costs when using your PC. On their article about this matter, they say a PC that does not meet the requirements can run into compatibility issues, and on top of that, won't receive updates. What's interesting is that those PCs will have a watermark in the far right corner, like this, saying system requirements not met, and they will make sure to let you know every chance they get in the settings, specifically in the Windows Update section. But if you feel comfortable upgrading your PC to Windows 11 without it having met the requirements, go for it, cause it definitely won't destroy your computer. Now, let's say that you upgrade, but you're having issues, just getting performance issues. You can always go back to Windows 10 using the recovery tool in the settings. First, you open your start menu, then you're going to go to your settings. Once in your settings, you're going to go to System, and then scroll down until you find a section that says Recovery. So if you upgraded to Windows 11, from Windows 10 and you're having issues, you can always use this button to go back. Just know that your time is limited because you only have 10 days to revert back. After 10 days, this won't be available to you anymore. That's why on my PC, it says this option is no longer available on this PC because I've had a Windows 11 for more than 10 days. But you can always upgrade your PC to be able to use Windows 11 without all of these requirement issues. That's also another option. Let me know what you guys think about this. Windows 10 end of support is coming quick, so it'll be interesting what Microsoft does to address this. Again, if you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more Windows content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.